Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to embed a video or add a picture to your website at Dataczar Connect. So first of all, let's go to Dataczar.com and let's get logged into our account. We could sign up, but we already have an account, so we'll click the login, get our username and our password. Okay, great. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. I'm going to get rid of this and go full screen. From dashboard, you want to go to website. This is where the website builder is. You have post, pages, templates, appearance, and settings. That's the website builder, also analytics. So we're going to be doing post and pages. Let's look at post real quick. So we're going to edit this post here, El Cajon Mountain. We're going to click on the edit button right there. And then here's the editing screen down here. You have simple code previews. We work under simple, and then this is where you do the editing. The editing tools are the same for posts and pages. So we're going to go to pages, and that's where we're actually going to add the pictures and the videos. And before we do that, let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And this is just the website we've been working with. And here's the waterfalls page right here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add a featured image. We're going to add another image, and we're going to embed a video. So let's go back to Connect. And we're on pages right now. So we already have the waterfalls page made right here. We already created that. So let's click on the edit button here. And we're going to, first of all, we're going to choose a featured image. So let's click on choose. And we're going to upload it. We could go to my images, but we don't have, oh, actually we did. We did add those, but let's go ahead and do the upload anyway. So let's go ahead and click choose. And we're going to go to over here. And let's go to Upper Yosemite. And it's uploaded and it's added right there. So it's automatically added once you upload it. And then down here, this is the editing box that we showed you under posts. It's the same for pages. Simple code previews. We're going to do our editing down here. So looking up at Upper Yosemite Falls, we're just going to click enter. And then we're going to click on the insert edit image icon. Click the make sure I clicked on the right one. Insert edit image icon. We're going to click the up arrow. And then we're going to go ahead and go to my images. You could choose a file here and upload it. We already preloaded it. So let's go to my images. I'm going to use this image right here. That's looking up at Upper Yosemite Falls. Click save. And then we're just going to drag the corner a little bit. That's really big, so let's go ahead and just shrink it down a little bit. Okay, that looks really good. It's nice and big. And then to embed a video, we're going to click here, and then we're going to put our cursor below embed video. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the YouTube link. So you just grab the complete URL from your YouTube. If you're going to embed a video, it has to be hosted on YouTube. And the link I'm grabbing is a share link. So if you have a video, all videos on YouTube have a share link, and that works really good. So we're going to put our cursor down here, and then we're going to click the Insert at Media right here icon. We're going to paste in the URL. That's the share link. Or you could just paste in the complete URL, and we're going to click Save. And there's the video. We just used one of our tutorial videos. And there it is. Let's go ahead, and whenever you make changes, you're either going to hit create if you create a page or a post, or you're going to click update. So we updated our page there. Let's go back to our waterfalls. So this is the home page. Let's do a hard reset, Control F5. And let's go to our waterfalls page, and let's do a hard reset, Control F5. And there it is. There's the featured image that we added. And then this is looking up at Upper Yosemite Falls. That's the picture we actually shrunk down. And then this is the video that we added. And it plays right there, and I can hear it. So let's go ahead and pause on that. And there it is. So there's the waterfalls picture, and we added a couple pictures. We embedded a video. Let's go back to Connect. And one thing, there is this help button right here. Make sure, especially if you're new, go to the featured tutorial videos, And it's recommended to watch at least the first couple of videos. And if you're going to do, if you want to add a pay button, there's an how to add PayPal, add to cart. There's some really good videos on this. So let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to embed a video or add a picture to your website at Dataczar Connect.